ready to unlock massive savings on your next Old Navy haul. Let's dive into how to use those coveted super cash rewards online. First, head over to Old Navy and start filling your cart with all the must-have items you've been eyeing. From jeans and tees to dresses and accessories, make sure your order meets the minimum purchase requirements specified on your super cash certificate, usually around $25 or $50 before taxes and shipping. Once you're done shopping, click on the shopping bag icon to review your order and proceed to checkout. Double check that you have the right sizes, colors, and quantities of everything. On the checkout page, look for the promo codes and rewards section. This is where the magic happens. Enter the super cash code found on your certificate. Be careful to type it in exactly as it appears, including any letters and numbers. Click the apply button and watch as your total magically decreases. The discount amount will depend on how much super cash you have and the total value of your order. Review your order summary one last time to ensure the super cash discount has been applied correctly. Then, proceed with entering your payment and shipping information. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Old Navy super cash online. Be sure to use your super cash before it expires, and happy shopping!